out here in the cold. No excuses. I can't even see my watch, so pace doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter. Just being out here, getting it, is what matters, baby. Let's go. I already got ice in my veins, so I can't feel the cold weather. This ain't shit. I want some more snow. Feeling good. 3 miles in. Mile 3, 7:30. Let's go. 7:21. Mile 4. Almost back home. Damn, it's freezing. 36 minutes, 5 miles. I'm calling it a day. Last one was 7:05, but I'm calling it because it's cold. Yesterday did 14 miles, so my legs are still a little sore, a little stiff. So 5 miles in the cold weather, call it good. Easy recovery. That was rough. Glasses off, snowflakes flying and hit me in the face. 37 minutes, 5.1 miles. Let's check back in tomorrow, see if we can make a run. I decided to do 1 more mile. So now I got 6 miles in for the day. 45 minutes, 6.3 miles. Feeling good. I was feeling good. I came home, Amanda was still asleep, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna hit another lap around the neighborhood. 6:47, I think, so pretty quick with snow. Not bad, all things considering. Yo, someone like this video, someone comment, someone leave something. I'm out here running miles in the snow and I ain't got no feedback.